Hello students, welcome back to online learning. Standard 9, subject Political Science, Chapter 3, India's Defense System, Module 3. So far we have learnt about India's defense forces. If you remember, in the last module we had covered that. We also learnt about the ways how the national security is safeguarded and what is national security. Let us proceed further with this lesson. Challenges to India's security. Right from the time of independence, Pakistan and China have tried to threaten India's national security. There are several disputes between India and Pakistan has been a major threat to India's security right from the time of independence. What are the various issues? We have the Kashmir issue, disputes over river water sharing, the problem of infiltration, dispute over the border, the problem of terrorism, which is a major threat to India's security through Pakistan. How are our relationships with China? India and China are important countries in Asia. You remember we had studied that India and China, there was a war between India and China in the year 1962, which is called as the Sino-Indian War. India has always been a peace-loving country, but as China is trying to establish its own hegemony over countries that are India's neighbors, there are tensions in the relationship between both the countries. If you remember the latest incidences that have been happening along the borders, if you are updated with the news, you will know that there is a tension along the LAC and the LOC, the line of actual control and the line of control with China. India's security is not only threatened by outside powers but also from within. It is not just the differences between external security and internal security that is important anymore. Let us understand what are the threats India faces, what are the challenges that we face within the country. The challenges that India faces within the country are religion, regionalism, several rebellious movements based on ideology, race, ethnicity, and economic inequality, which creates instability in the country. For example, the Naxalite movement is a threat to India's internal security. Terrorism happens to be the biggest challenge to India's internal security. In fact, it is a global problem, and India is making efforts to end terrorism. Let us understand what is human security. In the post-Cold War period, the concept of national security changed and became broader. National security is not just the security of the country, but also the citizens living in the country, because security is ultimately for the people. Hence, security refers to human-centric thinking. In human security, it is expected that human beings should be protected from all sorts of dangers, and not only that, there should be opportunities for education, there should be proper medical care and medical facilities available to its citizens. One more concept is of overcoming poverty, overcoming superstition and backwardness. There should be environment created in such a way that people should live a respectable life. Then you have the protection of rights of minorities and the weaker sections. What are the challenges to human security? The biggest challenge to human security is that of terrorism. Terrorism targets common, innocent people. It aims at creating terror or fear in the minds so that they begin to feel insecure. Thus, in order to protect human security, it is necessary to put an end to terrorism. Pollution and other changes in the environment have threatened human life. Then, as we know, diseases like AIDS, chikungunya, swine flu, Ebola, we have come across MERS, Zika, and the latest coronavirus have all presented a big challenge to all the countries of the world. Protecting the citizens, or rather human beings, from such diseases is also considered as a factor of human security. Students, in this chapter we have studied India's defense system. We have also tried to understand the change in the concept of security from national security to human security. Read the lesson thoroughly from your textbook and mark important elements that have been discussed in this video. Refer to the Word document attached below. Thank you. Have a nice day.